Hello, dear friends. It's Ella from Shengli Electronic Technology Company. So today, let me show you our electronic fast wire cable connectors. And in our company, we have two types: the DIN rail type and the normal type. This one we call the DIN rail type, and another's it is a normal type. And for our connectors, we have a lot ports for you to choose. For example, two outputs and one input, or two inputs and one output, etc. We support the customization, and there is fast wire cable connectors. They help us solve the problem of connections in a way more simple and more safety. Now, let me show you how it works.